In the previous videos of Google Sheet and data segregation, we have learned how to manage data in Microsoft Excel. The same features are also available in Google Sheet. So we will have a quick look of it and learn where all the options are located and what features are present in Google Sheet. So this is my mail, Google Apps. Then go to Sheets. It will show various options like this is the blank Google Sheet and these are various templates. So I'm clicking on blank sheet. Blank sheet will open. Now I want to import my data here. So on my table here. So what I will do, click on file, import, then upload. First of all, for this, I have to close my this Microsoft Excel sheet. Then select a file from my device. Then Rakhi Excel Workshop, open. This is uploading now. Then there are three options: create new spreadsheet, insert new sheets, replace spreadsheet. As this is a new worksheet, so I'm replacing this spreadsheet. Import data. Now my file is here. The sheet 3 contained table. So this table is imported along with subsheets. It is here. Now this sheet 2 contained raw data. Now, in this Google Sheet, we will learn about sort, wrap, freeze, filter, and various formulas and how we will apply here in the Google spreadsheet. So, first of all, to apply various formula, we have to go to this function option. So, click on it. Sum, average, count, maximum, min. These are various options are available here. So let's say suppose I want to sum this 12 marks. So, what I will do, I will select the cells, then go to function sum. So this will show the formula in this cell and enter. So this is the total sum of all the values. So here is some error. So what I will do now for its correction, I'm deleting this and again select my values. I'm selecting here and then go to sum and enter. So this will show the value. Simply I will drag my cell and then in the forward direction. So this will give the total sum of this H column value. So in the same way we can count, we can apply count, maximum, minimum, average, mode, uh, many formulas in the Google spreadsheet. For freezing option, first of all go to view, then freeze, then I'm not selecting any row, so no row, or I want to freeze first row or first two rows or up to current 30 rows, or I can freeze one column, two column, or up to n number k column up to. So what I will do? So what I will do? I'm clicking on one row. After this first row is become freezed. Similarly, if I want to freeze first column, so clicking on it, so now this highlighted thick line will represent that this first row and A column become freezed. For sort option, select the data, then go to the data option. Here are various options are available. So, but I'm clicking on sort range because there are multiple cells are involved in it and I want to sort them. So sort range. So data head has header row. So I'm selecting this header row also. So for this I'm selecting this and now I'm sorting it by name, or either I can sort it with any other option. So I'm sorting it with name and click on. So all this data. This entire data is sorted out alphabetically. Now to apply filter, let's say I want to apply filter on this C column. So I'm selecting this, go to data option, create a filter, then three bars are there. I'm clicking on it. So I can filter by any one option, but the most preferable one is again here the male female or the search option. So let's say I want to I want to filter by female. So I am clicking on this, means I am selecting this only and OK. So this entire data, how many females are the part of this study, these are here. So how can I find out the number? So for that, now for its counting, I am selecting this column. So on the right hand side of the lower bar, count 31. So these are 30 in number, but it will also include this header row. So that's why it show the counting of 31. So I will do the -1 from this value. Similarly, I can create a table also here. So in sheet 3, I am selecting this data, go to the option all borders. So I can select inner border, I can select horizontal border. So various options are there. I can make it very colorful. So border, I will make the border in this color, and I want the inner border will be in pink color. So let's see, this is my table here. So by this method I can work on the Google spreadsheet. Now I want to share this spreadsheet, this entire spreadsheet with someone. So I'm clicking on this share button. So it wants some name, so I'm writing here workshop sheet, then save. Now it wants the people to whom I want to share it with. Let's say I want to share it with myself. Then there are three options. These features definitely you people know. So that person just to whom I am sharing it with, that can only view it or commenter or comment on it, or editor means he or she can edit this file. So editor, and then if I want to write some message, so I can write message here. Let's say some message, then send. So this is my. So this is all about the various options of Microsoft Excel and Google Spreadsheet, which we will use frequently for the research purpose. I hope after this workshop, you all will able to work on both the interfaces.